Why you need to learn accounting. Okay, so basically I was helping my uncle who was doing some poor cash management that resulted in him improperly budgeting around cash not available due to not fully understanding the accounting side of his business, like how receivables terms work, what deferred revenue means, etc. Just want to give a wake-up call to people who may need it, so they don't turn into my uncle. The importance of understanding even basic accounting. Seriously, accounting is the language of business. While you don't need to be a full-blown CPA, although it certainly wouldn't hurt, I really hope all you ambitious folk out there put adequate emphasis on this. Like you should at least have an understanding of what account types increase or decrease with debits, credits, how to interpret, in depth if possible, financial statements and what the numbers actually reflect about the nature of a business or how it's performing compared to maybe some prior expectations, etc. Even just like watching videos like this can be a game changer in one's understanding of business. https u2.be/wedge9jbtc8. All the greats say the same thing as well. Exhibit A. Mark link. Exhibit B. Warren Buffett plus Charlie link. Accounting is the language of business. If you can't understand the language, it's difficult to win the game. Absolutely. It's important to know the language. But for some, like me, it's just as important to go through a few cycles, months, quarters, years, to understand them and use them to get better. Thanks.
I completely agree. Would recommend a few resources. Keith J. Cunningham has a book, The Ultimate Blueprint for an Insanely Successful Business. It's all finance, even with that crazy name. He also has a course called the 4-Day MBA. It's a bit pricey, but the book is all you need to start. Philosophically, Elevated Fortune has some great usable resources on wealth building and cash flow like link. Simple and to the point. For everything bad about Martin Shkreli, he put together an amazing video series on financial statements. Link. My companies use these accountants and find them to be great. Link. Note. If you are ever buying a company, get multiple eyes on the financial reports because many times, companies or their accountants get creative. Look at the bank statements.
I read reviews and some said the Cunningham book got to be a bit of a sales pitch for his software. Did you find that to be how it was too?
If you want to be an entrepreneur, major in accounting in college. 100%. Why? You need to know it to run your business. If your business fails, accounting will almost always get you a job. Downside? Boring. But boring keeps people away.